Good morning, my dear students. How are you? Today we are going to complete our journey in our book, Global English 3, Lesson 5. Lesson 5 is the last lesson in Unit 1. So please, let's go. The title is Following the Team Rules. Please make sure that your books are open on pages 14 and 15 in the learner's book. The activity book, pages 12 and 13. Again, before we start our lesson, we need to know the lesson objectives for today. We are going to read a story titled, Whose Team Are You On? Learn vocabulary with multiple meanings. Talk about the value of being a good player and write a letter. Okay? These are the lesson objectives. We need to know some keywords to learn before we start. If you look at this picture, I think you can tell me this is a football match. Yes, this is a football match. Okay, look at this picture. This picture we say it's for a team. Okay, football team. This one, this picture for the birds, we say wings. Okay, wings. This one is easy. So please tell me, what is this picture? Teeth. And the last one, please look at the score. The score, okay, is 2-2. So when we have a score like this, we call it in English draw. It means the two teams, they have the same points or the same score. Yes, so please students, repeat after me. Football match, team, wings, teeth, draw. Yes? Okay, now we start with our lesson, following the team rules. Look at this picture. Who are the characters? And what do you think happens in this play? The characters, it means people in the story or in the play. So look at this picture and tell me. Yes? Okay, after you decide who are the characters, we say they are animals. Of course, you know sometimes we use animals as characters. Yes, the characters are fox, kangaroo, bear, goose, owl, parrot, and bat. Yes. Now, the second part of the question, what do you think happens in this play? I think it's clear. What do you think they are going to do? Mammals and birds are going to play a football match. Yes, they are going to play a football match. Okay, students, listen and read the story. The story, as we said, titled, Whose Team Are You On? You can read this on your own, or you can listen then read. So please, follow the listening carefully.
Track 8.
Whose team are you on? The animals are getting ready for a football match. Fox, kangaroo and bear are on the mammal team. Goose, owl and parrot are on the bird team. Bat wants to play too.
Can I play?
Which team are you on?
I want to be on the winning team. The birds are small, the mammals are big. I think the mammals will win. I want to be on the mammal team.
Are bats mammals?
I don't think so. Bats have wings. Mammals don't have wings. I think bat is a bird.
No, I'm not. I'm a mammal. Look at my fur. Look at my teeth. Birds don't have fur or teeth.
That's true. I think bats can play on our team.
Okay, let's play. The animals begin to play. Bear passes the ball to Kangaroo. Kangaroo kicks the ball into the goal. The score is Mammals 1, Birds 0.
Hooray for our team!
Next, Owl gets the ball. Owl passes the ball to Parrot. Parrot scores a goal. Mammals 1, Birds 1. It's a draw.
Okay, students, as you can see, the last word is a draw because the score is 1 for mammals and 1 for birds. Yes, so please let's go to the next part of the story. Please listen carefully and follow the story.
Bear has the ball next, but Parrot takes it. The birds score another goal. Birds 2, Mammals 1. The birds score the next goal too. Now it's Birds 3, Mammals 1.
Let's stop. We need a rest.
Oh, the mammal team is losing. I don't want to be on the losing team. I think I'll join the bird team. I'm joining the bird team.
No, you can't do that, Bat. You're part of the mammal team.
Not anymore. I want to be on the bird team. Look, I have 2 wings and 2 legs. Just like you and Owl and Goose.
Play on.
The game begins again. Kangaroo has the ball. She passes the ball to Bear, but Bear takes the ball and passes it to Parrot. Parrot scores a goal. It's Birds 4, Mammals 1.
Hooray for our team! The birds are winning the game.
Stop the game. Whose team are you on, Bat?
I'm on the bird team now, and we are winning.
You can't switch teams in the middle of a match, Bat. It's not fair.
Yes. And now let's start with the third part.
You're not a good team player, Bat. You can't be part of this game.
I agree. If you want to play with us, you need to follow the rules.
Go away, Bat. We don't want to play with you.
I'm sorry.
Go away and think about it. When you're ready to follow the rules, you can come back.
Okay. Goodbye.
And the mammals and the birds begin playing again without Bat.
Play on.
The rules. Practice every day. Do your best. Help your team. Be a good loser. Say, well done, to the other team. Be a good winner. Say, thank you, to the other team.
Yes, thank you very much for listening, students. Please put the rules in your mind on the right. Practice every day. Do your best. Help your team. Be a good loser. Say well done to the other team. Be a good winner and say thank you to the other team. Yes. Now, students, we have 2 questions. Why does Bat want to play on the mammal team? Try to think of the answers. Okay. I'm asking you to write down the answers on your book and then compare your answers with mine. The correct answer is because he thinks the mammals will win. Now the second question, why does Bat switch to the bird team in the middle of the match? You know, he switched the team. He went and played with the bird team. Why? Because the mammals team is losing and he doesn't want to be on the losing team. Okay, now exercise number 4, look at the list of rules. Which 2 do you think are the most important? You know, we just read the rules, which two, you know, you can decide on the two that you think they are the most important. Now choose a character and make a sign to wear. Act out the play. Number 6, word study. What does it mean? Find the words in blue. What does each word mean? If you can't guess, ask your teacher. So we need to go back to the words in blue and try to tell me the meanings in English, of course. Yes. The words are match. What do we mean by match? Match is a sports game between two teams or two people. Winning, having more points than the other team. Draw, as we said, is an equal score. Two teams have the same number of points. Losing, having fewer points than the other team. See, if you remember the score between the mammals and the birds, it was 4 for the birds and 1 for the mammals. So we say the mammal team is losing. Rules, they are the instructions that everyone must follow. For example, you know, in the football, as a player, you can't touch the ball with your hand. Okay, you can't kick your friend, etc. Yes. Now 7, words with more than one meaning. Read the sentences. What is the missing word in both sentences? If you look at number 1, she hits the ball with a. What is the thing? What do we call the thing in the girl's hand? Okay, in English we call it bat. Bat. Down now, a can fly. This picture, we studied this before. Again, this picture is for a bat. So as you can notice, students, in the girl's picture, we said a bat. And the second picture, we said bat. See, so this is the exercise for today. You know, one word, but it expresses more than one meaning, and they call it multiple meaning. As we put this again in one of the lessons objectives for today, to study the same word but with multiple meanings. Yes, now if we move to number 2, B is the first in the word bat. First what? Letter. Yes, letter. You know the alphabet is A, B, C, D, okay? They are the letters. And down, again, this picture is for a letter. When you write a letter to your friend in some other places. Yes, this letter is for you. Now, number 3, come and football with us. What is the missing word to complete the sentence? You say, come and play football with us. And the last picture, we are acting in a play. See, again, play, you know, we acted on a theater, on a stage. Okay? So play, it has 2 different meanings. Letter has 2 different meanings, and bat has 2 different meanings. Yes, so please, for today, you need to study these groups of words. Okay, now the last exercise in the student's book, Bat wants to play football again. He writes a letter to the mammals and the birds. What does Bat say in the letter? What do you think? You know, let's say if I tell you that he's going to write a kind of apology letter. So what do you think the Bat is going to write? So I will say this homework. Okay, you need to write this on a piece of paper and please send it to your teacher. Okay, what do you think the Bat is going to write as an apology letter for the birds and mammals so that he can play again? Yes. Now we are going to move to the activity book. Following the team rules, read the story. They want us to read the story again, 14 and 16. Then decide whether the 6 sentences are true or false. Yes, students? Please try to decide, you know, or say or right, true or false, before you see the correct one on the screen. Now I will read number 1. The bird and the fish teams are playing football. Did we study about fish? Fish team? No. So the first one is false. Yes. Number 2, at first, bat joins the mammal team. If you remember the sentence, you know, he said mammals are bigger and they are going to win. So, true. Number 3, bat wants to be on the winning team. True. Yes, from the beginning he said, I want to be on the winning team. 4, bat switches to the bird team. Again, true. You know, in the second part of the match, when he noticed that birds are winning, he said, I want to go to the birds team. 5, when bat switches team, the other players are happy. All the players were happy because he switched the team? No, of course no. So it's false. Number 6, if bat wants to play football, he needs to follow the rules. True. Okay. Now students, if we move to exercise number 2, how are the mammals and bats are the same? Okay, look at the chart and write the missing words down. But of course you need to take the information from this chart. Look students, they have teeth. Yes, mammals and bats. They have fur. Mammals and bats. They usually have 4 legs. It's only for mammals. Because bats, they have only 2 legs. So let's complete, students. Mammals have, then we have the space, and fur. So what do they have in common? Please write the answer. Yes, they have teeth and fur, and they usually have, it's written the last one, 4 legs. Thank you. Bats have teeth and fur, okay, like the mammals. But they don't have, they don't have 4 legs. Okay? Yes. Let's read the other chart. Okay? Again, but this is between birds and bats. The first chart, it was between mammals and bats. Now birds and bats. They have wings. Yes, they have in common, birds and bats. They have wings. They have 2 legs. Yes, birds and bats. They have 2 legs. And the last one, they have feathers. You know, feathers, they cover the bird's body. Actually, it's only for birds. As you remember, you know, we studied this before, that bats' bodies are covered with fur, not feathers. So please, let's say now or complete the sentence about birds. Birds have, please students, say before you see the answer. Yes, wings and 2 legs and feathers. But bats have wings, 2 legs, but they don't have feathers. Okay? So this is the difference. Now this one, does your class have these rules? Circle yes or no. Okay? It depends on your class. So you can circle yes or no. Now, in your class, listen when your teacher is talking. So circle yes or no. Put up your hand when you want to say something. No mobile phones in the classroom. Yes or no. No running in the classroom. Yes or no. So it depends on your class. So circle the word that you guess or you think it is correct for your class. Now students, in exercise number 4, again this is writing, pretend that you are bat. Write a letter to the mammals and the birds. Say you are sorry that you switched teams. Say you are ready to follow the rules now. Ask if you can please come back and play. End the letter with the words, your friend bat. Okay? I told you in the learner's book that you need to write this as a homework, and now let's see how the letter should be. Okay, let's start and try to write together. If you like, write your own letter, then compare it with mine. Okay, so the beginning of the letter, deer, mammals and birds. I am sorry that, can you tell me? The bat is sorry for what? That I switched teams. Then the bat is going to say, I am ready to follow the rules now. Please, can I come back and play? And they ask us to end the letter with these words. We say, your friend bat. Okay? So please, students, you need to write this and complete the letter. Okay? Yes, actually, here we finished Unit 5, but there is a kind of quick quiz here. Now, students, please look at the 5 sentences with the pictures. We are going to listen, then decide quickly on the correct one. Okay? Please listen and decide quickly. Is it A or B or C? Yes, listen carefully and decide. Students, you know, when you find the answer, tick. Put tick in the correct picture. Listen.
Track 66.
1. Look at the boy. He's climbing up the wall.
What are his friends doing?
They're helping him.
See, they are helping him.
2.
So it is B.
Hi Sally, shall we ride our bikes? No thanks.
No
I'm not
thanks.
good at riding bikes. What are you good at? I'm good at running.
See,
Me
running.
too. Let's run.
See, this is running.
3.
Let's count. Listen to the numbers. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
4.
Actually,
This animal
35.
has wings and feathers. It is white. It has a long neck.
Long neck. It is
5.
the goose.
T-I-G-E-R.
Listen to the spelling
Listen
again.
again.
T-I-G-E-R. It is tiger. Okay? So if you ticked those pictures, then you are an amazing student, and give yourself a tap on the shoulder. Yes? Now students, read and circle the best answer. A reporter is asking Steve questions. Now, reporter, what are you and your friends doing? Steve, he's going to say, it's Chinese New Year, or we are practicing the dragon dance, or a dragon is beautiful. Which one is correct? Please decide quickly. Actually, B is the correct one. We are practicing the dragon dance. 7. Now, reporter, what is your teacher doing? Steve, she's playing the drum. He's playing the drum. We are moving together. We talked about the teacher many times, so I think you can decide easily that B is the correct one. Now, 8. Is learning the dragon dance easy or difficult? Again, we talked about this before. Steve, he's going to say it's difficult, but it's also fun. I like the dragon dance, don't give up. Which sentence is correct? Actually, it is A. Okay, it's A. Now students, here, read and write. Read the text and write 2 questions about it. Use question words like when, how many, are, what. Bats have 2 legs and wings, but they are not birds. They are mammals. Bats are the only mammals that fly. Bats fly at night. They eat insects. You know, you can choose any question words and write questions for your partner. And even, you know, my global progress, what were you good at in this unit? So name 1 or 2 activities that you were good at or you liked very much. And the last one, what did you find difficult in this unit? Name 1 or 2 activities that you found them difficult in this unit. And that's all for today, my dear students. Hope you liked and learned from this unit. Thank you very much for watching and seeing you soon inshallah on Unit 2.